Hi, good evening. How was today's trade? I think today is the one of the big toughest day. Nifty was gap down by more than 350 point in the morning. This due to the rate cut news from the US market. So yesterday there was a downfall in the US market. The same was reflected in our market also. So today after the big gap down, uh, we thought that it will slowly get recovered because based on the first two three candles if you see, so we thought that it will slowly will going to get recover, but it was not recovered. It was sustained till the end of the day, and you can see here how chart formed. You can see here. Totally within the first candle range only today. The first candle, whatever it has formed, first candle bottom was 23,869, top was 24,000. That means near about 150 point range. 150 point also not there, 130 point range. This Nifty was traded within 130 point till to end of the day. There was not at all a breakout, nothing. So in this condition, normally means directional traders may not get any opportunity. Only today there is a non-directional means straddle strangle players would have made some money, and that too if you see in the premium of current week expiry, current week expiry premium was very less in the Nifty. So even though they would have made some sort of money. So if you see here, this area has some oscillator as well as accelerator indicator. If you see here, this is totally supporting. Why it is supporting? Because there was a huge gap down. Due to that, this first 4 to 5 bars are showing downfall. Whereas accordingly, this candle was not came down from the first candle. There is no breakout from the first candle. This all because of the huge fall down, means huge gap down, whatever it is happened. With that only this all happened. And slowly if you see here, from 9:45 onwards it is going slowly up. But even though it was not sustained, it was not broken. It was not broken from upside also and the downside also. So even though here, if you see 9:55, accelerator indicator is giving the signal of directional, means reversal. The direction of in the bullish side it is showing, but again it was not breaking out. It is coming down. So that is why we have little confused today, and we could not able to take any trade. I took only two trades, only small trade with 2 to 3 point, 2 to 3 point. I end up with today's this thing. So if you see in the P and C chart also, so we took P chart of 24,000 and C chart of 23,900. So if you see here, P and C chart, first C chart we will see. C chart we will see. This is the condition now. Today. So first C chart if you see, so first candle was not at all given the breakout, hence we have not taken any trade. Next, if you see here, this 9:30 candle. 9:30 candle has formed the fractal. So we have waited for the breakout, which was not happened. So if you see here, which was not happened, and accelerator indicator is always above the zero. Everything above the zero. It is not at all coming below zero. But it's not at all coming below zero. Here, if you see, here there is a small this thing. Accelerator indicator is coming below zero, but whereas there is no breakout from the this thing, even PSAR or something like that, there is no breakout here in the CE chart. And if you see here again, 13:15, there is a small breakout here. Here we have marked here. This area we have marked here, but that also there is no breakout given, trade not given. So totally C side went without any trade. And you see in the last 3 o'clock candle, normally 3 o'clock candle, what we should think, what we will see here, wherever side it is getting breakout, that area we will take the trade. Here if you see here, here this is 3 o'clock candle, 3 o'clock candle. You see here, this is the 14:55, means it is closing by 3 o'clock. So from there, it is those who want to have the C side, because morning onwards it was given the support of C, and here also it is accelerator, indicator, some accelerator, everything in the green side. So those who have not taken the buy side, but those who have entered here, they would have made around 10 to 15 points. They would have captured here. This area, they would have, by buy side, they would have captured clearly. They would have breakout. With the breakout, they would have captured this 5-10 point, 10 to 15 point, which I took in the P side. Now P side we will see. P side, if you see here, there is a first candle breakout is happened in the 940, but whereas I have not taken the 940 trade. Why? Because I have some accelerator indicator, everything was in the other side, other way around, in the above the this thing, below the alligator, below the candle, and here also this accelerator indicator is also above the this thing. But whereas it has around 945 got reversed to below the zero line of accelerator indicator. Here I have put the means trigger order. Here I have put but which was not taken. We have not taken. But here, if you see this 9:30 also, 10:30 also, there are some this thing supporting, means means the accelerator indicator is still it in the down only. Hence, I have changed this one to this fractal. This area, this fractal. Around I have changed it to around here. If the value you can see here, around 142. 142, this area got hit, means I took the trade here, but whereas after taking the trade, immediately accelerator indicator is showing green. That is why I exited immediately. Cost to cost means 2 point profit. We have exited here immediately. Cost to cost I exited, because this area is giving the indication of reversal. So that is why I took means here I took and immediately to 138. I means 142. Here you see here around 142 entered and 138 I exited. Immediately I exited here. So there is no further trade. If you see here, there is no breakout, no further trade. And here if you see 3 o'clock candle means this is the 3 o'clock candle. So if you see here bigger size, this is the 3 o'clock candle. This candle is 3 o'clock candle. Here there is a breakout. Here I took the trade here, small trade. This is the breakout. 149 I entered, immediately I exited. This area I exited around 143, means same candle itself I exited. Around 5 to 6 point I captured. There were 3 point here, 5 to 6 point. Total 8 point only we could able to capture. That too in the P side. C side there was no trade, and P side we took around 8 point. That too we took the risk with the tight stop loss. So today there was a day, the choppy day, there we could not able to do anything. So let us see how we'll do tomorrow. Thank you for watching. And this is the one thing I can say here. Because of our strategy only, we have not entered. Otherwise, we would have entered here and there, we would have even lost also. Without any strategy, without any proper means plan, if you would have entered, then there may be a chance of losing the trade also. For example, you can see here, C side. If, for example, here some breakout, if somebody have taken this area, if you see here, this is the thing. This is the all the things are supporting. Here, if somebody has taken the trade, and due to the choppy day, there might be a means reversal, and would have means whoever enter here means it 186, and they would have lost around 220, means near about 30-40 point they would have lost here. So once it is a reversing, means we cannot able to predict all those things. We should wait for the breakout, this fractal breakout. Accordingly, bottom or AO and AC also it is supporting or not, that we'll have to check. Based on that only we'll have to enter. Here also, if you see the first candle, if you see here, first candle, some people who would have entered means this breakout itself. That is their strategy, but that is not a proper way to take the trade. Whenever breakout is happening with our setup, then only we can able to take the trade. That is what today's learning. Thank you.